Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class we'll discuss NCERT example of exercise 6.3. Example number 5, 6, 7, 8 we'll discuss because these are very important question for your board exam. That's why you have to first understand your exam NCERT example, then jump into the exercise 6.3. So example 4 says that in figure 6.29, if PQ parallel to RS. So given that, what is given? Okay, let me choose the pen. Okay. So given what is given? So given that PQ parallel to RS. Okay, PQ parallel to RS, and you have to prove that triangle POQ similar to triangle SOR. You have to prove. So we know three theorems: 6.3, 6.4, 6.5. 6.3 says that if the angles are equal to each other, then their sides are in same ratio, means they are in proportion. And next theorem, converse of that theorem, means if the sides are in proportion, then you can say that angles are equal. In that case, they are equal, similar triangle. And the third theorem was that if one angle is equal to another angle of a triangle, and these angles are including the sides are in proportion, then you can say these two triangle is similar to each other. Means first condition was that angle criteria, similarity criteria, and second was that SSS, side, if the sides are proportion. Then you can say also two triangle is similar to triangle. And the third was that angle side angle side, means if one triangle is equal and there another two sides is proportion to each other, then you can say this is SAS criteria of similarity. So let's see which criteria is following here. So suppose PQ parallel to R is given. So you can say angle Q and angle R alternate angle. Yes. So first angle Q equals to angle R. Why? Because they are alternate angle. Clear? So next angle P and angle R, angle S. Angle P and angle S also alternate angle. Okay, what do you have to write here? So now this and this angle POQ equals to angle ROS, vertically opposite angle. VOA means vertically opposite angle. Clear? And angle criteria is also called angle to angle also, because by the angles and property we can find out the third angle also. So we satisfied angle criteria, that you can say triangle POQ similar to triangle SOR. That is proved. Clear? I hope example 4 is clear to you. Next, example 5 is that two triangle is given. You have to find the value of angle P. So three side is given, means we know one condition, SSS criteria of similarity criteria. So means if I find the three side are in proportion, three side of two triangles are in proportion, then you can say their angles are equal to each other. So let us check. So if I write AB and RQ, what is the value? AB is 3.8 and RQ value is 7.6. So 38 by 76. If I remove the decimal, so 19 2s are 38 and 19 it is 76, and in 4 ja, and 1 2 1 ja, 2 2s are, means the answer is 1 by 2. Next AB BC. So BC, and here we write RQ, means you have to take QP. In order you have to take, you cannot take PQ. BC is 6 and QP is 12. So here also we are getting 1 by 2. Next QBC. BC means we have to take CA here. So CA and QR. QR means you have to take RP. So value is that CA is 3 root 3 and RP is 6 root 3. So answer is 1 by 2. So means we see AB by RQ, BC by QR, CA by RP both are in giving same value, means the sides are in proportion. So we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle P. We can say RQP. Okay, RQP, RQP, ABC, RQP. Clear? Okay. So now we know angle value, angle A. So means A equals to R. Clear? A equals to R and B equals to what? B equals to Q and C equals to P. C equals to P. Angle C equals to P. So but we don't know what is the value of C. So C, value of C is what? 180 degree minus sum of the remaining angles, 80 plus 60. That means 180 degree minus 140, that is 40 degree. And since they are similar triangle, so we can say angle C equals to angle P, that is 40 degree. So value of P is what? 40 degree. Next. So example 6 is says that OA and OB equals to OC by OD. So this is O, this is A, this is D, and this is B and C. And given that OA into OB equals to OC by OD. So it is given OA into OB equals to OC into OD. So we can write OA by OC equals to OA, this is O, OA by OC equals to OD by OB. Clear? OA by OC, OA by OC and OD by OB. Okay. So means they are in proportion. So and angle O, angle AOD, AOD equals to angle BOC, vertically opposite angle. Here, vertically opposite angle. So I have remembered that the 6.5 we have see side angle side similarity criteria, means if one angle is equal to each other and another side is in proportion, then two triangles are said to be equal. So means triangle AOD similar to triangle BOC. So since these are the similar triangles, so you can say angle A equals to angle C and angle B equals to angle D. Okay, corresponding angle of the similar triangle. Clear? Next, example 7. A girl of height, very important question this is. A girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of the shadow after 4 seconds. Okay, so let us consider AB. Let AB equals to the lamp post, and CD equals to the girl, height of the girl, Okay. So now it is given that the base of the lamppost at the speed of girl is walking in the speed of 1.2 meter per second. We have to find after 4 seconds, means after 4 seconds her position is this one, and the speed was 1.2. So we know the distance, speed distance time formula. Speed equals to distance by time, that is distance equals to, this will be multiply s into t. So means we have to find BD, what distance he covered. So BD equals to, we have to, so means distance speed, what is the speed? 1.2 meter per second into what is the time? After 4 seconds. So answer is 44.8 meter. BD equals to. Okay. So now we have to prove that triangle ABE, the whole triangle, and triangle CDE, are they similar? So let us check. So if AB and CD standing on the vertically on the ground, so we can say angle B equals to angle D, because they are each 90 degree, because they are standing on the vertically on the ground. And angle E common for the whole triangle, angle E common, and this triangle C common. So angle E equals to angle E, common angle. So by angle similarity criteria, we can say triangle ABE similar to triangle CDE. Okay. So we can say AB by CD equals to AB by CD equals to BD by DE. Clear? Since they are a similar triangle, so if I put the value, AB means what? AB is 3.6 by CD. CD is 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter is there and it is meter. So if I change, so it is 90 centimeter. Okay, we'll change this one into centimeter in the next line. And BD means what? This is 4.8 and this is, suppose this X, DE equals to X. So 4.8 plus, you can write also DE. So this is plus sign, DE by DE. BD by DE. Okay. So next, so if I cross this one, so 3.60 by 90 we change meter to centimeter. It will be 4.8 by DE plus 1, 0 cross, 9 4 to 36. So I am doing here. So 4 minus 1 equals to 4.8 by DE. Yeah. So 3 equals to 4.8 by DE. Now DE equals to 4.8 by 3. If I cut it, 60. So 1.6. So the shadow is, so this is the shadow DE, and value of the shadow is 1.6 centimeter. Okay, because all the unit is converted into centimeter. Next, example 8. So this two triangle is given, and CM and RN, CM of the triangle ABC and RN of the triangle PQR are medians. So triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Prove that triangle AMC congruent similar to triangle PQR. Okay. AMC and PNR and CM by RN. So these three portion we have to find. So given that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So since they are similar, so we can write AB. So see how I am writing AB, BC and CA similar to PQ. So PQ, QR and RP. Okay, got it? So this is given. This is given. So triangle, we have to find triangle AMC, triangle PNR. Okay. So since this sides are in the ratio, are in the proportion, so we can write angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, angle C equals to angle R. Yeah. So now come to this proof number 1. So angle AMC equals to angle PNR, triangle PNR. So AMC, so AB by PQ equals to BC by PR PNR means you have to take this one. Okay. So CA by RP. So in the place of AB, we can write 2 AM, and in the place of PQ, we can write 2 PN equals to CA by RP. Why? Because here it is written AM, MC is the midpoint, M is the midpoint, and N is the midpoint here. That's why we write 2AM and 2 PN. So we cancel out, so we'll get AM by PN equals to CA by RP. Okay, so AM equals AM by PN and AC by RP. Clear? And we know that angle MAC equals to angle NPR. So by SAS similar criteria, we can say triangle AMC similar to triangle PNR. Next, number 2. So in number 2, so we have to prove that CM, we have to prove CM by RN. CM, so if I draw this triangle here, so we can easily understand. So ACB, ACB, and next triangle RPQ, and CM is the median and RN is the. So now we have to prove CM by RN. So in the previous slide we proved this one. Yes. So CM by RN equals to AB by PQ. So since if triangle AMC similar to triangle PNR, we can say MC by NR equals to CB by RQ. But you have to prove CM by RN. So we can change it CM by RN, and here BC by QR. Yeah. So you have to prove PQ by AB by PQ. So from one we know BC by QR equals to AB by PQ. So we can put this value. So CM by RN equals to AB by PQ. AB by PQ from 1. Clear? Number 3. So number 3 is that triangles, you have to prove that to prove triangle CMB and triangle RNQ. So CMB means this one, CMB this one, and RNQ this one. So we know CM by RN equals to BC by QR. Clear? BC by QR. So an angle, so CMB you have to prove CM by RN, we know, and BC by QR. And if I say BCM, so next we have to prove another MB. Okay. So from 1 we can write CM by RN equals to AB by PQ. So AB by PQ Yes. So we have to write AB by. So in the place of AB, we can put 2MB, 2BM, and by 2NQ. So we can write BM by NQ. So CM by RN equals to RN. CM MB by NQ equals to B BC by QR. That means triangle CMB similar to triangle RNQ. Clear? So this is the proof of these three sums. So on these sums we covered all the NCERT example. So thank you for watching. Till then, keep